Hey guys, I'm going to show you how I load logs onto my Woodland 126. I found that maneuvering lumber around the mill is probably the toughest part about running one of these mills. You got to move these great big logs everywhere. So until I can get a structure built up over this and get a winch up top to where I could snatch logs from different direction and drag them over and then lift them up, I got my Argo here and the winch I use on it, and I'll show you the method I use of loading them. So I found these two pieces of metal out in the scrap pile, and they just happen to fit inside the bunks perfectly. And they're decent strength metal, so you can put some pretty heavy logs on them. And so I just take my Argo, and there's a video going to follow that's going to show you all this. And I just come across over here, grab a hold of the log, snatch it up, drag it up them ramps, and there it goes. And then when I'm done with it, I can just take these ramps right out like that. I don't know what that is, but that hung up in there. And then I can walk down, with my mill. I could walk it down. So that's just a handy way of doing it if you got an Argo with a winch or any kind of a winch. Just get the winch on the other side of it in a ramp system and just pull it up. Hope that helps somebody.